This particular video shows you how to work a single increase called a KFB, or knit front and back, also known sometimes as a bar increase. The KFB is a single stitch increase, but instead of creating a stitch out of the running yarn between two stitches, like we did with the make one left and the make one right, the KFB makes two stitches out of a stitch that already exists. KFB stands for knit front and back. So the first thing we're going to do is knit into the front loop in the ordinary knitted way, nothing different here, except once we get to this point, instead of sliding that original stitch off the left-hand needle, we're going to swing the tip of the right-hand needle around to the back, and we're going to go into the same stitch, knitting it through the back loop. That's going in from right to left and from front to back. Then we're going to draw a second fresh strand of yarn through, and then and only then can we slip that off, and we've successfully created two stitches from one. The reason why this is called a bar increase is because, can you see underneath that second created stitch there's a little horizontal bar of yarn? That's going to be visible in your work. Some people don't like that, but it certainly has its place in the canon of single stitch increases. Let me show you that one more time. I'll knit one stitch so we can get a little bit further away from it and start again. So the first thing to do is we knit into the front loop of that stitch there, swing the needle tip round to the back, and knit into the back loop of the same stitch. Note that we didn't slip that first stitch off the needle to complete a knit stitch. Only when we've drawn that second loop through, then we slip it off the left needle, and we've got our single stitch KFB increase complete. And that's the KFB. I'm sure you'll find really, really useful places to put it.